opened by the Melbourne and Hobsons Bay Railway Company in 1857. It ran for 4.5 kilometres from the Melbourne or city terminus on the site of the modern-day Flinders Street station, crossing the Yarra River via the Sandwich Bridge to branch off from the Port Melbourne line at Clarendon Street and stopping at the 3 stations along the line, South Melbourne, Albert Park and Middle Park, before finally ending at St Kilda. Along with the Port Melbourne line, the conversion of the line to light rail was first announced in 1983 by the Victorian state government. Cost estimates at the time were approximately $6 million. The line was officially closed on the 31st of July 1987 and reopened as part of the Melbourne tram system on the 21st of November 1987.
At Flinders Street station, and we are going to be exploring the abandoned St Kilda Line. Yes, and so St Kilda trains departed from platform 11, which was where the Albury Bar Erie is now. We'll be heading along the same alignment as the Port Melbourne line, but just a different line itself. Wait, Mom, let me see. And now you can see that we're getting even closer to the Sandwich Bridge, but you can see some old overhead posts here, and those were the Port Melbourne and St Kilda lines there, but I'm not too sure if they're old or new. So let me know. And you can see the Sandwich Bridge over there that we've done in the Port Melbourne video, so I'll give you a bit more information of the Sandwich Bridge as we go over there. And so now we are currently on the Sandwich Bridge, and I'll give you a bit more information about the Sandwich Bridge. And so proposals were being made to put the tram lines on the Sandwich Bridge, but the plans were dropped. And when the bridge was abandoned, the South Bank project came along, and they built some of these new buildings here. And it's really beautiful here, and it's pretty cool. You can see these glass panels here, which represent people who came from different countries, which you already know. And it's pretty cool here. It's the bridge. You can actually see Flinders Street in the distance over there. And we'll be heading back to Flinders Street, and we're heading back to Southern Cross to get a tram. Now we are currently at the Southern Cross tram stop, and we're currently waiting for a Route 96 tram to take us to City Road. And let me see what the next tram is. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool here. You can see Southern Cross Station over there.
Route 96 to St Kilda Beach is due in 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
This service will be a low-floor tram. Route 96 to St Kilda Beach is due in 15 minutes. This service will be a low-floor tram. Route 96 to St Kilda Beach is due in...
So now we are currently at City Road, which is an additional stop at City Road, and this station opened a couple of years after the line was converted to a light rail, and I think this is the newest station on the route. And this is, you can see that this is how we a tram board, and you can see there's a tram coach here. There's a marquee ready steady, so you have to touch on, but on trams you don't need to touch off because if you go on another tram, it will deduct the fare from your last trip. And so and then hold tight or sit right, okay? But it's actually grip right, not sit right. Hold tight. I don't know what that means, but for this thing, but I know these two things. And this station also serves bus routes. So some buses here, local buses. They're currently 80 meters that way, and the station is really quiet. And you can even see the city over there. Pretty cool. We're taking the next tram to the first station on the line, South Melbourne. So now we are currently at South Melbourne Station, and this is one of the stations of the old St Kilda Line, and this station opened on the 16th of September 1858, and the station was the first on the line. And the station, when the station first opened, it was named Emerald Hill, but was renamed South Melbourne in 1884, and the station serves the adjacent South Melbourne Market up there. And the South Melbourne Market was opened to the public in 1867, and it is an outlet for vegetables, fruits and flowers grown by the market gardeners of Cheltenham. It is a Victorian style of a building with wood and red bricks. And the market is known for its dim sums, which were originally made by chef Ken Cheng. And the station buildings over there, on the city-bound platform of the old South Melbourne station, you can see the old station, but it's not used. And the buildings there have been converted to a childcare centre. Now there is more information about the South Melbourne Market, which in its lifetime the market has undergone various refurbishments, including after numerous fires. The worst of these was in 1981, when two of the original sheds were destroyed, and later in the year stalls were damaged by bombs. And between 2007 and 2008, the market's produce areas were redesigned, and in 2012 a new roof was added to reduce leaking and heat load. We are currently heading towards the footbridge, and now this footbridge is actually really old, and it links the platforms, and you can see we're currently walking along the old South Melbourne Station, which is here, and this is the pathway to get between the platforms of the station. It's not really weird that this thing is located here, and you can see the old station buildings of South Melbourne Station. And the footbridge is located up here. And so now with the street, you can see the South Melbourne Market over there. You can see the South Melbourne Market over there. And there is a sign over there.
No, this one's got a good atmosphere. I don't know. It's always been something about it.
Here, you can see the old station. So now we are currently at Albert Park Station, and this is one of the stations on the St Kilda Line. And you can see the old station over there, just next to the tram stop. So now we are currently at Albert Park Station, and this is the second station on the line, and this opened in 1860. I think it was on the 27th of November 1860, and the station serves the Lakeside Stadium, which is at Albert Park, and it was the home of the South Melbourne Football Club. And when the station first opened, the station had a firing range on a 7-acre strip of land, and so the station was first named Butts when it first opened. But the 7-acre firing range had disappeared in 1872, and the station was renamed Albert Park in the same year. And the station has the station buildings on the up platform have been converted to a cafe and a VR antiquities museum. And the station is really quiet here, and you can see the Bridport Street level crossing over there, which had boom gates. This station is actually not the closest station to Albert Park. Middle Park is more closer, and Middle Park is one of the stations on the line. And we're currently on the City-bound platform, and you can see that the entrance to the station building is over there, where that exit is on it. And you can see that the one goes over a bridge and then back down towards MSEC, which is the next stop we're going. And you can see, look, these stairs are located here, and you can see that it says here where the station building was, and the platforms are located over there. And the station is really pretty, beautiful, sorry. And the station only serves most of Albert Park because the station is not really close. And there is a tram approaching now. Now this is the entrance to Albert Park Station, and you can see that the old entrance to Albert Park Station was through these doors here, and that leads to the cafe and the beer and tickets here. And you can see a sign that's saying Albert Park Reserve over there, that brown sign. Also serves a Kilda instalment gas station over here. And it's pretty cool.
Pretty flowers as well.
Yeah, there are also pretty flowers at the forecourt. Many white and purple flowers. It's pretty cool. are currently at MSAC. We made an additional stop at MSAC, and this station opened a couple of years after the Port Melbourne line was St Kilda line was converted to a light rail. And the word MSAC means the Melbourne Sports and Aquatic Centre, which is over there. And M means Melbourne, S means sports, A means aquatic, and C means centre. And this station, and this stop, also serves Wright Street and Canterbury Road. And the stop comprises of staggered platforms, one over there where the city-bound platform is, and one here where the St Kilda Beach platform is. Yeah, this is MSAC. It's quite a small stop, but there is a tram approaching now. So now we are currently at Middle Park Station, and this station opened on the 2nd of July in 1883, and the station was the last to open on the line. And this station serves the Melbourne Formula One Grand Prix, which is the biggest racing event in Australia. And you can see you can still see evidence of the station, but the train platforms were demolished to make way for the lower level tram platforms. And this building here is known as Mark 130, but was destroyed by fire in 2018 and is set to be rebuilt.
I like ball boys.
And now this station is the closest to Albert Park, and you can see a little bit of Albert Park, but not many parts of Albert Park. And there is a tennis field here, and some people are playing tennis right now. So this is Metro Tennis, And if you want to book a tennis, if you want to book your next experience at Metro Tennis, please visit the metrotennis.com.au website to book an experience. Thank you. So we made an additional stop at Fraser Street station, Fraser Street stop, and this stop opened a couple of years after the Port Melbourne line was converted, and you can see it shows a bit of Albert Park, and you can even see some buildings over there. I think they're actually part of the CBD, but let me know. And yeah, the stop comprises of staggered platforms, and this is the second to last station from St Kilda. And yeah, I mean, you can even see some sports over there, which is pretty cool. So now we are currently at St Kilda station, which is the terminus of the line. And this station opened on the 13th of May in 1857, and the station building behind you now says retail shops, and it's an Italian-led design. And the tracks of the St Kilda line so it came from the tracks here, and then it went through this building, which was now constructed, and went through here, this building here. And originally there used to be a wall to allow stop trains from getting onto the road, but that has been removed when the line was converted to a light rail. And the Windsor Loop line used to junction from here. And they went to Windsor, which is on the Sandringham line. St Kilda over there. I think they're refurbishing or renovating it. And you can see the beach over there. Sorry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next time. Bye.